Pelicans, the magnificent aviators of the sky, are distinguished by their enormous weights, which can reach up to 30 pounds, and their remarkable wingspans, frequently surpassing 9 feet.
Oh my God!
More like gentle giants than ferocious carnivores they are. Pelicans, with an ancestry dating back around 30 million years, have developed into skilled fishers, diving to vast depths to collect prey stored in their inflatable pouches. Although larger birds of prey are their main natural predators, they occasionally face difficulties with their pouches, essential for effective fishing. A damaged pouch makes it more challenging for a pelican to hunt, highlighting the precarious position these birds occupy in the environment. They are an elegant and useful spectacle, shaped by evolution. What would you ask pelicans if you could converse with them for a day?